So now I'll show you how to use Learn Mode with our ELI box. So I'm going to run the actuator to the end in Learn Mode using our control box here. This one's set up specifically to run the system. It does basically the same sequence that I'd already showed you with our just connecting two wires at the same time. And it actually has a button that says Learn Extend, and it's going to do the same sequence I showed you just with timers and things. So I'm going to hold the Learn Extend button down. You might see the LED flashing, and then the actuator is going to be put in Learn Mode after the required amount of time. So now the actuator is running at a slower speed, and we'll see again that it does run into a current cutoff at the end, and the current value is lower in Learn Mode. Then once it hits that point, it's going to retract a slight amount and then remember that position. And then now the actuator has learned that position, and it will no longer run into that structure. And we also see that the end-stop signal has also learned that position. So now I'm going to open it back up. Now it's running at full speed again. And we've got the fully open end-stop signal, which is actually the physical limit switch inside the actuator, and then it's going to run outward to its virtual limit, where it's going to run to that memory position. Okay, now it's fully closed. It stopped right as the metal butted into each other. Now, from this point on, the actuator will run from its physical limit to that virtual limit. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was informative. If you have any more questions, please reach out to your LINAK representative, or you can find information on linak-us.com. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.